Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share with you our latest field type, radio button. So I'm just going to add a custom field and make the field type radio. And it's pretty cool. You can add multiple radio options. Now, what makes a radio button special is you can really only pick one option, right? And so I can remove a few options, and I could say, for example, yes, no, and this is what it gets displayed in the radio buttons, and this is what gets submitted. The submitted value is what gets displayed in the integration. So I can add another option maybe. So I say maybe, and we'll make this opt3. And then you can have a default selected value. So if you leave this blank, nothing will be defaulted. Now let's say I wanted to make yes the default option. I can just enter in opt1 here, and you will see that that is the default now. Now we can also change the alignment, kind of how it looks. So right now with vertical, it's straight up and down. With horizontal, you can go across, which is pretty cool. You can change the size of the radio button, so you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. You can also change the spacing in between each radio option with the margin. And then you can also change, you can make this required or not required. And you can also add an error text. So if it's required and you add an error text, please make a selection. That will show up if it's a required option and there's no defaulted selected value. All of this also adheres to the custom fonts, custom colors, sizing, so you can really play around with it and make sure it looks like your brand. And that's our radio button. Hope you enjoy it.